Good morning guys, in front of me is iPhone and let me show you how to apply fun effects to iMessage. So at first, let's open new message. At first create the message that you want to send. And now to apply some effects, you have to tap and hold send button, where you will notice bubble and screen effects. Under bubble you've got slam, loud, gentle, or invisible ink. Let me pick slam. Once you enter screen, you can use either echo, spotlight, balloons, confetti, send with love, lasers, fireworks, celebration, and actually this is the last one. So let me pick, for example, balloons, and now smoothly tap on send. And that's it. So that's how you can use it, and then the person that you send this message to will receive it with all effects applied. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.